Welcome guys, so today I am with DOOGEE S86 Pro and I'm going to show you a few camera tricks. Okay, so at the first I'm going to show you a few hidden modes, and the first one will be linked with the volume buttons. So when you click on the volume up or volume down, you can also take photos like with this shutter. You can also do the same with this button. So as you can see, we can find a few different ways how to take photos. If you want to take series of the photo, you can click and hold your shutter. But also we can do the same with the volume buttons. Let's try if it works with this one. Yeah, it's also working. Okay, so when you are in the photo mode, you can also quickly adjust the brightness level by clicking on the screen and then moving this icon. As you can see, that's how it works. You can just click on the screen once and the brightness will be adjusted automatically. So another tip will be right here in the More tab. You can find filters. As you can see, they change color and the temperature. So for example, if you want to take photo with this one, just select, click on the shutter, and the photo was taken. To turn it off, just click on the X. Right now I'm going to show you how you can use zoom feature. So you can click right here, and you can switch to the ultra wide lens, but also you can pinch screen with your two fingers to zoom in and zoom out. When you click on this settings gear icon, you can enable camera delay between 2 or 10 seconds. Let's pick 2 seconds, click on the shutter, and after this time the photo will be taken. And when you open the settings one more time, you can also enable touch shotting. So right now when you click on the screen, your phone will take photo. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different methods how to take photos. Let's turn it off, and let's also turn off this self timer. And we can also change volume key function. Currently we set them up to the shutter, but we can change to zoom in and zoom out. As you can see, that's how it works. And in the More tab, we can find, for example, the useful option called Pro Mode, where we can adjust a lot of things. Few parameters manually, like white balance, ISO, exposure compensation, and focus. Okay, so that's all for this device. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.